here today. We're in our office, and you can see in front of me that's a dry erase board from a different manufacturer that I'm not going to mention. The issue is, the same issue I have with most of the dry erase coatings, is they don't erase. They ghost. It leaves a shadow after you erase it. I've tried personally almost every one, and some of the ones that are very expensive, and they all act the same. So we have one more shot. So I have, you can see Benjamin Moore's Notable. This is a true sample. This was given to us to do this and try and see how it goes. This is the clear. So what we're gonna do is scuff up the surface, prime it, and then put 2 coats. I'm gonna use a red down there. And then put the dry erase on. We're gonna see how it goes over the next couple of weeks. All right, talk to you. Okay, we have 1 coat on. You can see it's gonna take, I'll bet you it's gonna take 3 coats of this red at least. Red is always difficult to cover. For the base coat, I am using Sherwin-Williams Promar 200. So Sherwin-Williams and Benjamin Moore, you gotta live in harmony on this one. This is in no reflection or review of Sherwin-Williams. It's just a base coat for this job. And that's what I had lying around the shop. So this is 1 coat, and we'll see. We're probably gonna go 2, 3, 4 coats, and we'll go. Okay, you recording there, Kyle? We're just mixing up the products. You gotta mix it for 2 minutes, and then let it sweat in for 2 minutes. So do the best we can here. So we got, you can point at the wall there, we got 5 coats of that darn red on there. It's just the color. It's not. I don't think it's the paint itself. So no offense, Sherwin-Williams. It's just what it is. So we're gonna put 2 coats of this on. It's Notable from Benjamin Moore. 1 coat, and then we're gonna wait, what, 5-10 minutes and put another coat on, I believe. We're following the directions here. Yep, 5-10 minutes and put the 2nd coat on. So we'll be right back with you when we're putting that out. It's actually rolling out pretty nice. Better than some of the others we've used. We're gonna, like I said, we're gonna put 2 coats of this on. Unfortunately, it takes 7 days to cure, so can't tell you how it is until another week from now. It's nothing special. I mean, you could do this at home if you want to pay a lot of money for it. Product's not cheap. Okay, that's your first coat there. I'm not going to get a brush out, so we're just going to roll out the bottom. Cool, that's it. This is our 2nd coat and our last coat. So it's wet on wet for some reason, but that's what we're doing. Exactly what the label says.
It appears to be going on nicer than some of the other products we've used.
Yeah, so far.
So far, so good.
We've tried them all, right?
Yes.
The others have sagged, and sagging means that it just kind of droops down the wall. Remember that job, Kyle?
Yes, I do. It was at like 10 o'clock at night when we were doing it.
Okay. That's it. There's your dry erase. Put your wet paint sign up and you're good to go. If you have any touch-ups, it did say, I just read here, you've got 30 minutes to do them on a wet area or you're screwed.